Let your ideas flourish in Slovenia, the land of fantastic business opportunities, where sustainable brands such as PANORGANIX are developing a new way of growing and selling produce that is available to the market 365 days per year. As an innovator in locally grown vegetables and fruit, PANORGANIX produces nutritious and organic lettuce that keeps its roots all the way from its home to your kitchen. Today, PANORGANIX grows over 30 different crops on more than 50 hectares of farmland and greenhouses. By using bioponic technology and no chemicals, PANORGANIX is creating a new, modern way of farming.
It all started in 2011, when we noticed a great deficit of homegrown garlic on the market. Later, we added new crops that were in short supply on the market, which made retailers love us even more. We already expanded into other European countries and became one of the leading fruit and vegetable producers. Usually, lettuce loses about 60% of nutrients within 24 hours. By keeping our products intact, we retain all minerals, vitamins, and other nutritional value. With this latest technology and innovative ways of working, we are being sustainable and preserving the natural predispositions for farming.
PANORGANIX is the recipient of the Global GAP certificate for its innovative agricultural practices and the Bio certificate for its highest level of quality. With green solutions, such as the original method for growing and selling lettuce and herbs, PANORGANIX pioneers the future of farming and offers high-quality food when it's not available elsewhere. By being green, creative and smart, PANORGANIX is an example of the eco-conscious Slovenian economy and one of its valued ambassadors. Refresh your vision in Slovenia, a land of infinite potential for your business. Make the most of it.